If you don't trust your roofer enough to show them your insurance estimate, you're talking to the wrong roofer. Seriously, because hiding that document, that's not protecting you. That's actually putting you at risk. I get it. You've probably heard horror stories. Roofers ripping off people, inflating prices, taking advantage of insurance claims. So your instinct is, I'm not showing them my paperwork. I'll just get their price and compare it. Sounds safe. But here's the problem. That strategy is exactly how homeowners end up paying out of pocket. Because your insurance estimate, many times it's incomplete. Not because they're trying to screw you, but because the adjuster isn't the one doing the work. We are. And we catch mistakes all the time. They say you have 4 vents, you've actually got 5. They miss damaged gutters completely. They sometimes may leave out code requirements, items like valley protection, or the measurements might just be wrong. And here's the key. If it's not in the estimate, the insurance company is not going to pay for it. You're going to have to pay for it. So when you don't let a qualified roofing company review your estimate, you're not protecting yourself from the roofer. You're protecting the insurance company from paying what they owe you. Let that sink in for a moment. Without a contractor reviewing your scope, you risk a roof that's not up to code, paying for items your insurance company should have covered, and then ending up with a substandard roof. And none of that is going to show up until it's too late. A good roofing company isn't asking for your estimate to take advantage of you. We're asking to make sure nothing is missed. We want to verify every measurement, identify underpayments, and submit supplements so that insurance covers everything they're supposed to. Our job is to make sure your home is fully restored. So here's the deal. If you don't trust your roofer, don't hire them. But if you do, let them do their job, because the only person who benefits from hiding that estimate is the insurance company. And I promise you, they're not the ones replacing your roof. We are. So again, I'm Stacy with KangaRoof. And if you have any more questions about any of this, go to callkangaroof.com for more information and get in contact with our team, and we'll be more than happy to help you out.